What is up, guys? Today we have a completely shattered iPhone 10 and it needs a screen and battery replaced. Let's get started. Unscrew and pop that open. Disconnect all cables and remove the screen, as well as the top speaker and sensor cable. The adhesive gets old and it is hard to remove, so we add a little bit of alcohol and pry up the battery carefully. Out with the old and in with the new. So use the battery to push the flex cable in shape and install the new screen. Finally, we can snap that together. Perfect, job done. Don't drop your phone.